Hashtag be kind is really important, except people use it as something to say, hashtag be kind. And they don't really know what that is. One of the most effective forms of kindness is sometimes saying nothing. It is foregoing the need to be right in a certain situation. So if someone has lashed out and behaved in a certain way, chances are they are probably doing that because they are just trying to survive. We know ourselves. When we are in that much stress, we will do anything. So we lash out a lot. At that point, given that person's situation, how important is it to be right? Maybe it's better to say nothing at that point, because that is the kindest thing to do. Yes, maybe later, if you need to bring that up, if you need to address it, yes, later on, you could do it. But sometimes the question becomes, if that person is already so far down, is it really important for me to kick them further and be right?